Day trading fail. This morning, locking in over $1,400 in profit in 5 minutes. Made $1,400 in 5 minutes. And then gave it all back and more. What in the world was I thinking? It's easy to sit here and create excuses to be like, oh, you know, this happened, this. No, there's only one excuse, and that's me. I messed up. I broke the rules. I did exactly what I was not supposed to do. And well, you're going to see here in this video exactly what went down and how it all just started to snowball and end up being a massive, terrible day for me here in the markets. It's Monday. The great thing about it is there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, there's Friday. There's more days to come. We're going to get it back, but there's no problem. You know, red days are just part of the action. And sometimes I feel like I go through like a pattern where I have like 1 or 2 red days back to back, and then it's just smooth sailing, green, green, green. So I'm going to show you guys the open and then show you some of the trades and all that went down live during the live stream this morning. We had over, I think, like 300 people at one point, over 300 people watching at one time. So if you guys haven't already tuned in, 9:30 a.m. Eastern will be live right here on YouTube. Let's dive into the trades.
Yeah.
1 second, and there we go. Market is now open for business here. So looking weak right now. Wants to sell through the 50s. Let's see what happens here at the 50 level. A little bit of a bounce there. I'm going to take a short right there. See if I can get a little green on the board here. And just sell down through the 50s here. There we go. Down through the 50s. Little push back up. Holding that 50 level resistance. Going to see if we can get that move down here. There we go. Going to lock in $350 in profit there. Beautiful. That's all we need to do, baby. Just nice and easy, Patrick. $375 in profit in the first minute of market open there. $375. Let's go. One contract. Nice and easy. We get above this 70 level. Looking to get long there. Take a long right there. See if we can get a push up here over that 70s. Getting denied. Give a little more time. Now it's going to go over the 70s. Watch it. Pushing through the 70s there. See if we get a push up above the 300s on this move. If we pull back here, might look to add as well. Looking for a push over the 90s, 290s or higher here. Push up there, 290s now. There we go, up to 295s. We're looking for a nice little move here up above the 300s. Up above 13,300 will be the move we're looking for. Looking to add if we push above that 95 level here. Trying to push above that 95 level. Was looking to add, but slowing down here a little bit. Up to the 600s now. There we go. Up. We're $800, $900. We're going for $1,000, baby. Let's go. Up above that 321 level here. Little pullback now. Beautiful. Can we get above that 321 level? Right where my profit target at. Up $850 here. $800 on the board right now. Can we get it all the way above 1,000? Get above that 321 level. Looking for that push over the 321s here. Can we lock in $1,000 in profit? Come on, boys. Looking to hold this 310 level right now. That push over the 320s. RSI, MACD, pinging, pinging, pinging. If I push over the 310s right here, gonna add right there. There we go. Beautiful over the 310s. Looking for that 321 push here. Can we get it? Push, 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 baby. Get that $1,000. Drop $1,000 right now. Looking for this push through that 310 level here. Strong. Get above the 321s. Having a little bit of trouble right now, but looking for that push over 321. There we go. Getting $1,000 and selling right there. We're going to exit all that. Not a bad way to start the day, boys. We're up $1,400, and the market's only been open for, I don't even know, what, 5 minutes. I think I'm done for the day. Should I just walk away now? I should go home, shouldn't I? Just go home. I'm already home, but I should go home. What a beautiful day, boys. What a beautiful day. I can't believe I lost money on that for So one thing that I want to point out here is I did exactly what you're not supposed to do. Out of the open, I was only trading one contract. I traded one contract and I made all that profit and it was great. And then I ended up giving back profit, and then you can see where I start trading with 3 contracts. And that's a big no-no because first off, the first trade of the day, I made all that money on only one contract. So the thing is, I shouldn't be then adding on risk. Like I shouldn't be adding 3 contracts. I should be maybe just not trading after that first like run of the day, or only trading with one contract, staying with that same risk to reward. Why would I go from only trading one contract to all of a sudden I'm like, I'm going to get in with 3 contracts? And a lot of that was just emotion, right? You had emotion. I had the battle. I was just battling my emotions, trying to like make something happen. That's one thing that's like difficult about futures, is it's so easy to go short, it's so easy to go long, and you're quick to be like, all right, screw it, I went long, I got stopped out, I'm gonna go short, and then you end up getting stopped out again. So a lot of emotions came into play today. Obviously, I'm live on YouTube as well, and there's that like aspect where it's like I feel like I have to, like, I gotta get it back, right? Like I'm from red, I green, I gotta get that trade, I gotta show people like I gotta get the trade in, I gotta make the money. And well, today, perfect example of just not doing what I do. Don't do what I did in this video. Never go from being up $1,400 to being, down thousands of dollars. Just don't do that. Just don't do that, my friends. Get this break below the 34s. Come on. The battle is real. Look at that. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Wow. That's amazing. How, like... You can't make this shit up. Oh my gosh. Literally stops me out and then just drops right through my entry. Amazing. I'm going to take a long here off the VWAP. See if we get a push back up off the VWAP here. On the NASDAQ. We've pushed off it already before, so can we get it here? You get this push back up above the 25s. We can sell through this level here. Continue to break. I'd like to get a break below the 300s here. Looking for this break below the 300s. Getting stuck there at 304. I'm going to take it for $500 profit. All we need is literally just one good trade here. So there we go. Pulling back even more below the 300s now. So to wrap it up here, I just want to point out a couple different things. We had that move up. Like this should have been shorts, right? Like that should have been shorts, shorts, shorts. But instead, I tried to get long here. I tried to get long here. I mean, down here, I think I was shorting, but I ended up getting, like, trying to get these breakdowns and ended up shorting these little breaks and then getting stopped out, and then it, like, ended up going all the way down here. Same thing here. This was a short, beautiful short opportunity. So, again, Patrick, it's understanding that where these moving averages are and understanding that, like, I shouldn't be shorting into support, or I shouldn't be shorting for these breaks. I really should be waiting for the confirmation that we're not going to go higher. And as you can see on the chart, I mean, it's pretty clear now, obviously in hindsight, like when we push up, we can't go higher. We push up, we can't go higher. We push up, we can't go higher. Like these are where I need to be shorting at, and not trying to short these little breaks, because I end up trying to short these like breakdowns and I end up getting stopped out. It's kind of the same setup. I think I ended up shorting here, ended up getting stopped out. So just tricky one, a little choppy, but again, the trend is there. The trend is clearly there. I just got to stay patient and be on it. So we walked away in the red, and well, we'll come back tomorrow morning to do it all over again, but hopefully, obviously, with better results tomorrow morning. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later on.